In this video, we are going to review the best 5 hand blender available in the current market. After reviewing 15 hand blender and interviewing 50 users, we built this best list for you.
Number 1.
Breville BSB 510XL Immersion Hand Blender. Incredibly versatile, you can use the BSB 510XL for blending, emulsifying, whipping, or pureeing. It makes velvety soups, thick mayonnaise, fluffy whipped cream, chunky pesto, dips and salsa, smoothies, baby food, whipped cream, and even more. Breville has introduced a new revolutionary design that includes a sleek black and silver housing, a unique non-scratch bell-shaped base, ice-crushing stainless steel blades, and durable internal ribbing.
Number 2.
OXA Smart Powerful 2-in-1 Hand Blender. Its powerful low-noise 300-watt motor, 6 variable speed dial, robust stainless steel blades, and sturdy bell-shaped shaft ensure efficient blending results. If you need extra power for more challenging tasks, press the Turbo Boost button. OXA Smart includes a whisk for beating eggs and cream to make a fluffy meringue or cheesecake cake. For mess-free operation, the blade head has a splash guard to prevent any food splatter.
Number 3.
KitchenAid KHB1231WH2 Speed Hand Blender. Powered by a low-noise 200-watt motor that has 2 settings, the exceptional KitchenAid hand blender effectively blends, crushes, chops, and whisks ingredients to make fruit smoothies, sauces, baby food, dressings, whipped cream, and it can even be immersed in hot soups. The soft non-slip handle is very comfortable to hold and helps you to blend your ingredients like a professional chef.
Number 4.
Braun MQ505 Multiquick Hand Blender. Cooking is made faster, simpler and smoother with the stylish black and silver Multiquick hand blender. It features a technologically advanced power bell shaft, 2 speeds, an extra powerful 350 watts high-precision German-engineered motor, and durable stainless steel blades. This superb design lets you blend and puree a wide range of ingredients in a splash-free environment and creates finer blending results.
Number 5.
Mueller Ultra Stick Immersion Hand Blender. You can utilize these functions to make soup, salsa, pesto, pancake batter, smoothies, homemade cheese, tomato or hollandaise sauce, omelets, whipped cream, cold drinks, cocktails, and even chop up small vegetables. Featuring a sophisticated European design, the Mueller hand blender will have you blending in style and comfort.